Hello, travel enthusiasts. Today we will discover the charm of Vâlcea, Romania. Please don't forget to subscribe, it will help our channel grow. Nestled in the heart of Romania, Vâlcea County is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. With its rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture, Vâlcea offers a unique travel experience that caters to all types of travelers. Whether you're a history buff, nature lover, or simply looking for a peaceful retreat, Vâlcea has something for everyone. A glimpse into history. Vâlcea County, with its capital at Râmnicu Vâlcea, boasts a history that dates back to Dacian and Roman times. The region was once home to the ancient Dacian town of Buradava, later transformed into a Roman castrum. This historical depth is reflected in the numerous archaeological sites and museums scattered throughout the county. One of the must-visit historical sites is the Village Museum of Vâlcea County, where you can step back in time and experience traditional Romanian village life. The museum showcases authentic wooden houses, tools, and artifacts that paint a vivid picture of rural life in the past. Natural beauty and outdoor adventures. Vâlcea is blessed with diverse landscapes, from the majestic southern Carpathians to the serene Alt River Valley. The Cozia National Park is a paradise for hikers and nature enthusiasts. Here, you can explore lush forests, rugged mountains, and pristine rivers. The park is also home to the historic Cozia Monastery, a stunning example of medieval architecture nestled amidst nature. For those seeking relaxation, the Călămănești resorts offer thermal spas and wellness centers. These resorts are renowned for their therapeutic mineral waters, making them perfect for a rejuvenating getaway. Cultural riches. Vâlcea's cultural heritage is as rich as its natural beauty. The county is dotted with monasteries and churches that showcase Romania's religious and architectural history. The Horizeu Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is famous for its intricate frescoes and stunning craftsmanship. It is also the birthplace of the renowned Horizeu ceramics, a traditional craft that has been passed down through generations. The people of Vâlcea are known for their warm hospitality. Whether you're staying in a cozy guest house or a modern hotel, you can expect to be welcomed with open arms. The locals are always eager to share their stories and traditions, making your visit even more memorable. Practical information. Vâlcea is easily accessible by road and rail. The county is well connected to major cities like Bucharest and Sibiu, making it a convenient destination for both domestic and international travelers. The best time to visit is during the spring and summer months when the weather is pleasant, and the landscapes are in full bloom. Village Museum of Vâlcea County. Nestled in the picturesque region of Bugerini, This open-air museum offers a fascinating glimpse into the traditional rural life of Romania. Let's dive into the rich history, cultural heritage, and unique experiences that await you at this remarkable destination. A step back in time, the Village Museum of Vâlcea County, established in 1974, spans over 8 hectares and is designed to recreate the authentic atmosphere of a traditional Romanian village. As you wander through the museum, you'll encounter 42 meticulously restored homes and over 12,000 artifacts that illustrate the daily lives, customs, and crafts of the local people. One of the highlights of visiting the Village Museum is the opportunity to participate in hands-on activities and workshops. You can try your hand at traditional crafts, such as pottery or weaving, and even take home your creations as souvenirs. The museum also hosts cultural events and festivals throughout the year, where you can experience traditional music, dance, and cuisine. The Village Museum of Vâlcea County is located in București, just a short drive from Râmnicu Vâlcea. It's easily accessible by car, and there is ample parking available. The museum is open year-round, but the best time to visit is during the spring and summer months when the weather is pleasant, and the outdoor exhibits are in full bloom. A historical treasure, the Ocneal Mare salt mine has a rich history that dates back to ancient times. Salt mining in this area began as early as the Neolithic period and continued through the Bronze and Iron Ages. The Dacians, the ancient inhabitants of the region, also exploited these salt reserves, and the area was later developed by the Romans. This long history is evident in the archaeological finds and the ancient tools discovered in the mine. Today, the Ocneal Mare salt mine is a popular tourist attraction, offering a variety of activities and experiences for visitors. The mine was opened to the public in 2009, and since then, it has become a favorite destination for both locals and tourists. What to expect inside? Upon entering the mine, visitors are transported underground via a minibus, which runs every 30 minutes. The journey takes about 10 minutes, and once inside, you'll find a constant microclimate with temperatures around 13 to 15 degrees Celsius and humidity levels at about 50%. This environment is not only comfortable but also beneficial for respiratory health. Inside the mine, you'll discover a vast underground space filled with various attractions. Sports facilities, the mine features courts for volleyball, basketball, football, and tennis, as well as billiards and mini-karting tracks. It's a great place to enjoy some physical activity in a unique setting. Children's play areas, there are playgrounds equipped with swings, slides, and other fun activities for kids, making it a family-friendly destination. Relaxation zones, for those looking to unwind. The mine offers areas for relaxation and gymnastics, enhancing the therapeutic effects of the salt environment. Cultural and religious sites, one of the highlights is the largest underground church in Romania, dedicated to Saint Varvara and Saint George. This serene space provides a peaceful retreat for reflection and prayer. Additional amenities, The Ocneal Mare salt mine is well equipped to cater to visitors' needs. There is a restaurant where you can enjoy a meal, a souvenir shop for unique gifts, and a refreshment and fast food shop for quick bites. The mine also hosts an event hall, making it a versatile venue for various gatherings and celebrations. How to get there? The Ocneal Mare salt mine is located just 8 kilometers from Râmnicu Vâlcea, making it easily accessible by car. The mine is situated near the Alt Valley, a picturesque area known for its spa tourism and religious sites, including the famous Cozia Monastery. Whether you're coming from Bucharest, Sibiu, or Brașov, the mine is within a reasonable driving distance, making it a convenient day trip destination. Cozia Monastery is one of Romania's most significant medieval monuments. Let's delve into its fascinating history, stunning architecture, and the serene atmosphere that makes it a must-visit destination. A historical landmark, Cozia Monastery was founded in 1388 by Mircea the Elder, one of Wallachia's most notable rulers. The monastery not only served as a religious center but also as a fortress and a place of refuge during turbulent times. Mircea the Elder himself is buried here, and his tomb is a significant attraction for visitors. The name Cozia is derived from the Cuman word for walnut grove, reflecting the area's natural beauty. Over the centuries, the monastery has witnessed numerous historical events and has been a center of cultural and spiritual life in the region. Cozia Monastery is renowned for its unique architectural style, which combines Byzantine and local elements. The main church, dedicated to the Holy Trinity, features intricate stone carvings, beautiful frescoes, and a distinctive facade adorned with stone rosettes and brick patterns. The church's design is influenced by the Morava school of Serbian architecture, showcasing the cultural exchanges between the regions during the medieval period. The monastery complex includes several other buildings, such as the hospital church, Balnita, built in 1543, which houses well-preserved frescoes depicting Mircea the Elder and his sons. The fortified cloister, with its defensive walls and towers, adds to the site's historical significance and charm. Cozia Monastery has been a center of spiritual life for over 6 centuries. It played a crucial role in the religious and cultural development of Wallachia. The monastery's library once housed a vast collection of manuscripts and religious texts, contributing to the preservation and dissemination of knowledge. Today, Cozia Monastery continues to be an active place of worship and pilgrimage. The serene atmosphere, combined with the stunning natural surroundings of the Alt River Valley, makes it a perfect place for reflection and spiritual retreat. Cozia Monastery is easily accessible from Râmnicu Vâlcea, located just 22 kilometers away, and from Sibiu, approximately 75 kilometers away. The best time to visit is during the spring and summer months when the weather is pleasant, and the surrounding landscapes are in full bloom. When you visit, take your time to explore the monastery grounds, admire the intricate details of the architecture, and soak in the peaceful ambience. Don't forget to visit the museum, which houses a collection of old manuscripts, prints, embroideries, and religious artifacts. Vâlcea County is a destination that offers a perfect blend of history, nature, and culture. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, hiking through scenic trails, or savoring delicious local cuisine, Vâlcea promises an unforgettable travel experience. So pack your bags and get ready to discover the charm of Vâlcea, Romania.